Most beach wagons marketed today are flimsy plastics that buckle in sand and heat. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud for years. Ever tried hauling towels, cooler, and toys all at once and wished for a smoother ride? Relax, this video solves it by guiding you to the top beach wagons for easy sand days. Today, I'm going to be going over the best beach wagon that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the SYO Beach Wagon. From the moment unboxed, the SYOCYO Beach Wagon exudes practical charm, clearly aimed at families, beach vendors, and weekend warriors seeking effortless transport. Its frame uses powder-coated steel with reinforced joints, delivering sturdy support while remaining light enough for one person. When collapsed, the wagon measures roughly 2.5 feet by 1.5 feet by 8 inches, expanding to comfortable breadth for gear. Wheels are large, all-terrain tires with deep treads, gliding across sand and grass, while a removable canopy shade provides sun relief. In field tests with 2 adults and several bags, the wagon maintains stability on boardwalks, gravel, and light dunes with balanced load distribution. Compared to the Harbor Light Beach Wagon from Brightco, the SYOCYO Beach Wagon offers easier folding and a higher weight capacity. The pros include a sturdy steel frame, oversized wheels for sand, a roomy cargo area, fast folding, and weather-resistant fabric. The cons include higher price compared to basic models and noticeable heft when fully loaded. The design leans toward practicality with matte finish, minimal branding, and ergonomic handles that stay comfortable during long walks. Materials include water-resistant fabric, corrosion-resistant hardware, and reinforced corners that resist abrasion from sand and salt spray. A well-designed interior keeps small items in sight with a zip pocket, while external pockets keep towels accessible. Cleaning is simple with wipe-down surfaces and removable canopy, ensuring beach grime does not linger between trips. Value remains strong when considering the durable components and practical design, though warranty conditions may vary by retailer. In conclusion, the SYOCYO Beach Wagon delivers versatile performance for families and beach lovers seeking reliable mobility and simple storage. At number 4, we have the Hikenture Beach Wagon. First impressions lean toward a family-friendly, all-terrain solution that promises sand-conquering performance and quick setup for sunny beach days. The target audience clearly includes beach lovers, campers, and event organizers who require substantial capacity without sacrificing portability or convenience. Construction centers on a reinforced steel frame paired with a weather-resistant shell that resists corrosion and daily wear under sand and sun. Foldability shines with a patented 4-way design that collapses to a fraction of its size in mere seconds for sedan trunk storage. The wagon rolls on wide balloon wheels and a 12-inch axle, while a 360-degree swivel handle ensures precise control. With a reinforced joint system, it confidently ferries chairs and coolers up to 440 pounds through soft sand and firm paths. Real-world testing reveals the sand drain holes effectively shed grit when shaking, while the 4-way fold maintains stability during transport. Shipping arrives with balloon wheels uninflated to minimize package size, and the included air pump and tape guide perfect inflation prior to use. On sand, the broad wheels maintain momentum and reduce effort, outperforming traditional PVC wheel wagons that struggle and sink in soft shorelines. Compared to basic beach carts with smaller wheels, this Hikenture Beach Wagon model delivers smoother rides and higher capacity without sacrificing folding speed. The pros include robust build quality, excellent sand handling, and fast setup. The cons include higher price and heavier weight. Ultimately, this wagon targets beach enthusiasts demanding capacity and durability, delivering on sand performance while requiring a practical amount of storage space. At number 3, we have the Originsure Beach Wagon. From the moment you first inspect it, the Originsure Beach Wagon signals rugged practicality for families, campers, and active beach day enthusiasts. Its compact silhouette and muted color palette project practical appeal while hinting at resilience under sun, salt, and shifting sand conditions. The frame rides on a powder-coated steel skeleton, and the overall footprint measures 60 by 24 inches, offering stable beach performance. A folded push handle snaps securely into place for compact storage, while reinforced seams prevent wear from sand abrasion and repeated collapses. When collapsed, the wagon becomes a neat rectangle that fits easily in trunks or cargo bays, enabling quick beach-to-car transitions. A removable, water-resistant cargo bag simplifies organization, while a front bumper guard shields fabric during loading and unloading from damp sand. All 4 wheels employ wide treads and soft suspension that grip uneven surfaces, reducing bounce and preserving vehicle balance on cresting dunes. During field trials, the Originsure Beach Wagon towed steadily with substantial loads across dry and damp sand, maintaining steering control and predictable turning. In real-world scenarios, salt spray exposure did not compromise fabric strength, and cleanup following beach sessions proved quick and effortless. Compared directly with Oceanmate cart, the Originsure Beach Wagon delivers easier setup, a larger cargo bed, and more forgiving folding geometry. The pros include rugged steel frame, large cargo capacity, and smooth fold and unfold. The cons include higher price for this class and heavier weight when fully loaded. Despite the premium materials, longevity and ease of maintenance make the Originsure Beach Wagon a compelling long-term beach companion. Overall, the Originsure Beach Wagon combines sturdy construction, practical design, and versatile capability for a broad beach day audience. At number 2, we have the Hikemoon Beach Wagon. From the moment you see its brushed aluminum shell, you know Hikemoon designed this for families and active beach lovers. The folding frame operates with a smooth action that makes setup and storage quick and frustration-free. The wheels are designed for soft sand and boardwalks, balancing stability with easy steering. A wide cargo bed and reinforced fabric deliver practical hauling capacity for towels, snacks, toys, and beach gear. Durable hardware and weather-resistant fabrics help it survive sun and spray through many summers. Its dimensions strike a balance between compact trunk space and generous interior volume for weekend trips. In a head-to-head with the Seaboard Pro cart, the Hikemoon wins on value and ease of setup. The pros include easy setup, durable materials, and good value. The cons include moderate weight and limited color options. The frame joints use reinforced welds and corrosion-resistant fasteners to extend life and minimize maintenance. The folding mechanism locks securely when deployed, preventing unexpected collapse during transport. Real-world tests show stable tracking when loaded and minimal sway on varied surfaces. On beach trips and park days, this wagon proves versatile enough to handle cooler bags, towels, and kids' toys. Overall, it offers practical hauling with dependable performance that suits active families seeking convenience. At number 1, we have the Blomoba Collapsible Wagon. This beach-ready wagon invites a quick fold and go lifestyle for families, campers, and weekend explorers. Its target audience includes sun-seekers, park picnickers, and DIY hobbyists who need portable hauling without fuss. Build quality and design occupy the next level with a robust frame and durable fabric that resists sand and salt spray. The wagon folds down into a compact bundle, and the handle telescopes to a comfortable reach for all user heights. Dimensions when open measure a generous width and height suitable for beach gear, groceries, and a cooler with ease. The wagon weighs around 5 pounds, making it easy to carry when not rolling over soft sand. Its wheel design includes large off-road capable tires that glide over sand with minimal effort. A standout feature is the quick-release fabric cargo bed that cleans easily after a long day at the shore. The fabric is water-resistant and wipes clean, helping with sandy beaches and splashy picnics. In real-world testing, the wagon proved capable of carrying heavy loads while staying stable on uneven ground. Compared to the classic Big Sip wagon, the Blomoba offers easier folding, lighter weight, and more compact storage. The pros include lightweight construction, easy folding, and durable materials. The cons include limited cargo space and higher price.